My name is Angela Price and I run my own bespoke travel agency. The problems I experienced before I attended this masterclass is knowing how to grow my business, knowing what to do. I'm no good at social media. Also I wanted to increase my sales, and other problems that I was experiencing was just really getting myself recognised to that large audience out there. I have previously tried other courses to solve my problem, but for some reason the courses just didn't suit me, they didn't connect, or they weren't very personal courses. They just seemed to be talking to you and not really teaching you. The Business Accelerator is going to change my business phenomenal. On the course, the weekend just passed, I've learnt so much. James is more than giving. His time is phenomenal, what he offers to all these students. I'm really confident now that my business is my passion, and I'm really optimistic and positive. This is the right course for me. James is the right tutor for me, the right mentor, the right coach, and I'm going to be circulated with the right people, like-minded business people, all aiming to help each other and work together. For me, the best thing that I've learned on the masterclass is a range of things. My confidence has grown within those 3 days. Knowing that I can actually excel in my business and grow it well, make money, and also believing that the tools that James has given us is all going to work. Just be very positive about everything I'm doing and believe in myself, believe in all the things that James has taught us, because he's done it, he's tested it, he's the walking testimony of all what he's done of success. So all I have to do is just emulate what James says and his team, and look forward to growing my business and making lots of money.